So hopefully you already tried this problem on your own. I'm going to go over the solution. The problem reads, calculate the mass of water produced when 8 grams of hydrogen and 24 grams of oxygen react. Which is the limiting reactant? So the equation is already balanced, because remember, that's the first thing that you should always check. So what you're going to do is you're going to do a mass-to-mass conversion from hydrogen to water and oxygen in water. See which one makes the smallest amount of water, and that's the one that's going to be your limiting reactant. So we have 8 grams of hydrogen. Need to get to moles of hydrogen. Oops. It's supposed to be grams of hydrogen. Moles of hydrogen on the top. 1 mole of hydrogen is 2 grams of hydrogen. Then we're going to want to get to moles of water. So moles of hydrogen are going to be on the bottom and moles of water are going to be on the top. This comes right from the chemical equation. For every 2 moles of hydrogen, there are 2 moles of water. Then last but not least, we have to convert to grams of water. For every 1 mole of water, that is 17.99 grams. So when you plug this in your calculator, I would do 8 times 1 times 2 times 17.99 equal, then I would do 2 divided by 4 equal, put those two numbers on top of each other and divide, and you would get 72.0 grams of water. All right, now I'm going to do the same thing for the oxygen. Oxygen, we have 24 grams. Convert that into moles of oxygen. 1 mole of O2 is equal to the gram formula mass of oxygen, which is 31.98 grams. Now we're going to do a mole-to-mole conversion of moles of oxygen into moles of water. It's a 1-to-2 ratio. Then we'll convert moles of water into grams of water. $17.99, 1 mole. So we'll do 24 times 1 times 2 times 17.99, enter, divided by the 31.98, and we get 27.0 grams of water. So with 8 grams of hydrogen and 24 grams of oxygen, the oxygen is going to run out first by making only 27 grams of water. So in this case, oxygen is the limiting reactant. Okay. On the next slide, I will put a solution to that part.